In this Christmas beginner tap dance lesson tutorial, you'll learn a short combination to the song Let It Snow, performed by Michael Buble. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Be sure to watch all the way through to get my free guide on the best tips, tricks, and strategies for learning tap dance off of video. It makes the experience much more fun. And if you're a teacher, I've also got a free guide for you on how to get and keep your students excited about tap dance. Let's jump in, shall we? Starting with the left foot this time, we're doing step, toe, dig, toe stamp, dig, toe stamp, an Irish right. I'm going to show that again. Now, I'll be doing some arms like the snaps and whatnot throughout the dance. You're not expected to do all those arms. If you want to do them, go ahead, but there's no expectation there. Let's try that again from the top. 6, 7, 8, step, toe, dig, toe stamp, dig, toe stamp, Irish right foot. One more time, and I'll put some counts on it. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we repeat most of it. Step, toe, dig, toe stamp, dig, toe stamp, stamp. You notice the second time through, instead of the Irish, we're just going to stamp out with that right foot. Again, you don't have to do the arms. I'm just doing them for fun. So let's do the second set of step, toe. 6-second set. Step, toe, dig, toe stamp, dig, toe stamp, stamp. Beautiful. Connect it all from the top, and I'll give you counts for everything we've done so far. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there'll be a nice accent with the horns in the music right on that final stamp. Let's roll that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and from there your left foot's free. Step, heel, step, step, heel, step, step, heel, step, step, heel, step. So we're just grapevining it. The right foot goes in back first. I'm going to show that again. Ready, go. Step, heel, step, step, heel, step, step, heel, step, step, heel, step. Let's put some counts on that. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, left foot's free. Left buffalo, step, step, followed by step, stomp, stomp, stamp. Again, that last part is step, stomp, stomp, stamp. So the stomps are flat foot, but there's no weight on them, so they lift up. But that final stamp is flat foot with weight, so you'll transfer your weight on that very last sound. Let's go back to that left foot buffalo. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and. So that last part is step, stomp, stomp, stamp. And those stomps and stamps are following an accent in the music. All right? One more time for the buffalo. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and. Beautiful. Let's connect it to those step, heel, step grapevines, starting with the left foot. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and. Why, certainly we're going to roll that all again. 5, 6, try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and. Beautiful. Let's take it top through everything that you know. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and. Super. We're going to roll that all again. If that was a rough run through, don't worry about it. We'll do it again right now. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 4, 5 and. Beautiful, my friends. Let's run that much with the music. If you're having a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And take a quick moment to drop a comment down below. Anything you put helps us a lot, and we really appreciate it. I'll give you a second to do it right now. Awesome. Thank you so much. While you're down there, if you want to go ahead and click on the link to get the free guide for learning tap dance off of video. If you struggle to pick up combinations like this or to remember them as you're learning them from video, I've got a great strategy for that and a bunch of other strategies as well. The guide's completely free and it's down below. Teachers, I've got a free guide for you to get and keep your students excited about tap, because as a teacher myself, it's way more fun to teach when the kids are excited to be there than when they're kind of like, right? So that free guide will help you get them excited and keep them excited and interested in tap dance. So make sure you check that out. All right, so we're going to run with music. This is actually the first half of the combination. If you want to learn the second half of the combination, there's a link down below that will take you to our website where you can do that. And I think you'll have a good time. Let's try with music. We're doing this again. The song is "Let It Snow," the Michael Buble 10th anniversary edition, and we're coming in at 57 seconds into the song. We'll start about 5% under tempo and get comfortable with that, and then we'll jump it up to real speed. Here we go.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Now the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs to stop.
Beautiful, my friends. We're going to roll that all again. Give you another shot at it. Going to keep that same 5% under speed. Here we go.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7,
Now
8.
the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs to stop.
Excellent, my friends. I'm going to boost it up to real speed. It'll be a little quicker, but not too bad. Let's give it a shot and see how it goes.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7,
Now
8.
the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs to stop it.
Beautiful. Let's roll it again so you can get more used to this faster speed and have fun with it.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7,
Now
8.
the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs to stop it.
Woo, let's do it a couple more times, my friends. A couple more times. From the top, here we go.
All the way home
6,
I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7,
Now
8.
the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs to stop
Super,
it.
my friends. Let's hit that one more time. Make it your best so far. And be sure to smile.
All the way home I'll be warm.
5, 6, 7,
Now
8.
the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs to stop it. And
Beautiful, my friends. I'm going to run it one more time facing you, and I'll do the second half that you can learn if you click on that link down below. Again, if you are having fun, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Ready? Here we go.
all the way home I'll be warm. Now the fire is slowly dying. My dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs to stop it. And I've got some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
All right, beautiful. Thank you all so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time at UnitedTaps.com. We have a ton of great content, especially if you're thinking about the holiday season, what gift might I like to give, or maybe what gift you would like to get. You're like, hey there, I would love to get some tap dance videos, right? Our tap dance videos make a great gift, either for yourself or for someone else. Also, the new year is not that far away, and some of us are already thinking about, oh, I'm going to get in shape there. Tap dancing is an actual fun way to do it, that you can keep going, right? The gym, it's like, okay, I'm ready to do it for a couple weeks, and you're like, okay, I'm kind of done with that. But tap dance is pretty much fun every time. You leave with a smile on your face. So you might want to consider that as well. We have tons of content too. Huge lesson series. We've got across the floor combinations, practice combinations, choreography, workouts, music, a tap dictionary, a little bit of everything. So if you want to do more tap dancing, UnitedTaps.com is the place to do it. Thank you again for tapping with me. I appreciate it. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.